Bitcoin, nothing we have not seen before. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, crypto to the max. And today we are so happy because you know that even though we are not experts, we don't have financial advice, but we've been talking about the path of Bitcoin to $1 million that we dream of. And we use the 4 year cycle, and we use videos from Bob Loukas because we believe that the analysis that this guy does is awesome. So we are always so happy when we have a new video from Bob Loukas. And this is the case. 12 hours ago, we had a new one about this 4 year cycle. So if you speak English and you want to listen it as a whole, go. I'm going to leave the link in the description below and you can learn about that. Also, remember that you can go to all the videos we have about it. One just 2 weeks ago, and we have some from 6 years ago, but those are still in play. This from last year, very interesting about the possible super cycle, and this one about 8 months ago, how we were so optimistic at the point. So, what is new in this reveal from Bob Loukas? Well, the idea that there's nothing we have not seen before. I'm going to sum up the video at the beginning. He will bring us this chart. I love it because it will tell you how does Bitcoin move. It goes up and it goes down, but as we always say, it goes up and down smoothly if you see the whole picture, but in the weekly, in the daily, we go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. When we go up, and also the same way when we go down. So this is something that you need to consider if you are an investor. Also, Bob Loukas did take under consideration the weekly time frame, and it's so fun to see, to watch that he's understanding the movement of the market as I do. And you can see here all these different movements, quite similar, that we've been talking about in the channel for many times. You can see how similar all they are, that you can take just one and put it on top on the other. And of course, it's not exactly the same movement, but it's quite similar. So why not? Why not having another one like this right now? He will tell you about the bottom for this movement and the possibility of the top of the movement and the cycle. So he will tell you that no one is certain that where is going to be that bottom right now. Maybe we are already there. Maybe we have to go to $74,000. And this is something that if you watch previous video, Crypto News, you're going to have a lot of information about that. So any case, at some point, if we have the bull run, we will start recovering, looking to the new top. And we told you in previous videos, and he is doing here, that in the past we have had with these drops for Bitcoin, 32%, 21%, 19%, 23%, and that we are okay even if we go, I told you yesterday, to a 30% drop, that would be okay for Bitcoin. So maybe we have to go there, and it's healthy in order to close the gap that we have in the CME futures. And remember, this is heading to $67,000, $65,000. We'll see about that. We have to be patient because also we have, and I told you yesterday, some gaps open on top of us in $91,000 and 93. So we'll see about that. But any case, it seems that we are, even if we correct, if we don't lose this line, we are creating our way to the next stop, as we did, and Bob Loukas is telling us in this video, in 2017 when we did this movement here. So we are waiting for the parabolic phase, the only one that is missing, the one that might bring us in October to 200K. We'll see about that. Any case, Bob Loukas will tell you in the video that no one can tell you absolutely that it's certain that the top is not in. Maybe this is the top. he's telling you. Maybe that's the case, but maybe not. And he believes that, well, a lot of signs are telling us that we are still missing some movement up and not the disaster. But we have to consider both scenarios. So maybe we can even go up for a little bit and then start going down and start a crypto winter, and maybe this was the top. Or maybe we have a top now and then we go down because this was the crypto winter. But he believes the cycle seems to be a classical 4-year cycle. And we are creating movements that's like these ones in the past, so that we are going to follow the blue line to 200K and not the red one. We'll see about that. So many drawings he will draw, like, yeah, these classical movements that we have, why to stop it here. And yeah, also he will tell you that October might be the moment to take some profits, and that would be at around 150K for the first sale. That's his opinion. That's what he's doing. He is going to wait. He's comparing the movement with the one we had the last time. That will bring us to 150. He's selling there, even though he will recommend you to sell. If you need some money now, it's okay. But he believes that we might eventually go to 150K. And for the second time, he expects a sale, well, according to the picture, around 200K. So would you wait? Would you be patient? He's asking you to not be in fear right now. The market conditions, a lot of noise, a lot of bad pieces of information is what we share in the show, but also so many fundamentals and so many good news. Remember, everything coming from United States that are telling us that even though now we're going down, this happened in the past and we will keep on going higher. Remember, watch all previous videos about this 4-year cycle. I hope you found some calm in these words. Bob Loukas also told us about altcoins and how it's exhausting for the market, all these meme coins that we have, all these crazy Libra and Trump and Melania, etc., and how this affected the market. But still, even though we have all these crazy flags, well, we might eventually go to the moon. Bitcoin in the daily right now is now 25% to 82,000. It's not good, but again, it might be just okay. As always, I'll tell you, this is so close to behavior of stock market, as you can see here on a last day session. And China and Japan going up today, and Bitcoin going up, gold going down today. And you can see dollar still playing with the moving average, and we can discard this soft move that I had for price of Bitcoin according to dollar behavior, and we have this one again on play. And remember that this one, well, it will bring us so close to this gap, that $74,000 one. The chart that is well, more concerning for me is this one, where I waited close of the monthly. Here we still have one more day and a half, 2 days. So come on, maybe Bitcoin can go all the way up today, tomorrow to 93K. It's still in play. If not, we're going to still considering bad scenarios as we had here. Remember when we went all the way to 10K and we have this huge drop here? It was a 62% drop. Hopefully we don't do as we did there. And it was because, of course, of the pandemic. Ethereum also still losing the line. I don't want to. Still 48 hours for Ethereum to go back to the line. And good news for Ethereum is that we know that Donald Trump and family, they are still buying Ethereum. We know that the market crashed, the stock market went down because of the tariff wars. And Donald Trump has told us on TV that we have to expect some pain right now, but this pain now would mean good news in the future. So as Bob Loukas says, maybe we have to wait 1-2 months before we start going up. Also, Bank of America CEO predicted no Fed rate cuts this year or the next. That's not good for Bitcoin, that's not good for the stock market, but I don't believe this to be true because Donald Trump said he wanted them to be cut. Good for Nvidia that went up, showing the revenue they have. So maybe that's good for the stock market in the United States. And Senator Sinia Loomis said, we are in the principle of finally creating a bipartisan legislative framework for both stablecoins and market structure. So good things that we are still developing the crypto world. FBI confirmed that North Korea is responsible for the hack on Bybit. We still in the hangover of this hack. Do you believe this piece of information? What do you think about this? And ZZ from Binance, well, he was talking bad things about SAFE and asking a lot of questions about this hack. We'll see if we get to know in the future what really happened. And Plan B, trying to make us feel optimistic, telling us that after these 30% dips, if we had one, we usually have a V-shaped recovery. So be just expecting that in the future. And what about the fear and greed index? We are in 10, and this is bullish according to Kyle. Why? Because we are at 84, 82K, and we are in extreme fear. We were in extreme fear when we had the FTX hack and collapse of the crypto market. So we are doing just the same. And if you go to the past as I do, remember to smash the like button if you like my content. You see here we were in the 10 and here and here and there. And I'm so kind that I went to TradingView, link in the description below. And you can see the lines where we were in the 10 at these points. You can see we were here, but then soon enough we started the crypto summer we are in right now. Here also we started going up after that. Here it was just the beginning, and also here. Just this time we still had a lot of downtrend. So yeah, good things that we saw today. I hope you found them useful. I hope you like also this cat that is still learning. He is eating, but he's sitting on the food he's gonna eat. So yeah, we still have a lot of things to learn. Do that with our channel about AI, Inteligencia Artificial with Rodrigo Ornido. And also, if you want, just keep on learning today with Rodrigo Ornido, Noticias, Bitcoin, Crypto News, Health, Money, Love, Power in Peace, and the best is yet to come.